Everyone. Mm. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter consumer math. The lessons we're going to cover today are price list, unit prices and sale prices. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 5 math. The chapter we are on right now is consumer. Lesson that is price list. Let's just start with the lesson. Let's just start with the lesson that is price list. So let's just start with the Let's start with an example. Leon has $12. How much money will Leon have left if he buys a dog calendar and a map of the world? So he have total $12, right? You have to see how much money he have left if he buy a dog calendar. Dog calendar is for $7 and a map of the world that is for $3, right? So just add the price of the map world and dog calendar. 7 plus 3 is $10. That means he spent $10 when he while having dog calendar and map of world. Now we need to see how much he have left. So 12 take away 10 is 2. So that means now he have left $2. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. How much more does a pecan pie cost than a pear tart? Pecan pie is $9.38 and pear part is $9.05. You have to see how much more is the pecan pie than pear tart. So you need to subtract their cost, then you can have how much more pecan part than pear tart, 9.05. So just subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3, 3 minus 0 is 3, and 9 minus 9 is 0. That means that is for $0.33. The correct option is $0.33. Option number 1 is the correct option. How much money does Mario need to How much money does Mario need to buy a trivia game and a board game? The trivia game and the board game, right? So the trivia game is $18 and board game is $19. So just add because we need to see how much total money he needed. So 9 plus 8 is 17. 1, 1, 2, and 3. So that means he need $37 to buy trivia game and a um, board game. Option number one is the correct option. That is $37. Johnny has $9. Does he have enough to buy a map of Canada and a map of United States? Map of Canada is for $5 and map of United States is also for $5. So 5 plus 5 is $10. So Johnny has $9. So that means no, he don't have enough money. The correct option is no, he cannot buy the map of Canada and map of United States because he do not have enough money. No, I forgot to click on. How much money does Dustin need to buy a crane, a race car, and a dump truck? A crane is for $6,646. A race car is for $9,855. And a dump truck is 9,812. So just add and see how much money we need to buy. So 6 and 5, 11 and 12, 13. 4, 5, 9, 10 and 1, 11. 8 and 8, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 2026. So that means Dustin need $26,313 to buy a crane, a race car, and a dump truck. Option number one is the correct option. Shauna has $0.15. How much money will Shauna have left if she buys a butterscotch candy and a gummy bear? Gummy bear is for $0.02 and butterscotch candy is for 0.05. He have 0.15. How much money will Shauna have left? So let's just subtract 0.15 minus 0.07. 15 minus 7 is 8. That is 0.08. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 0.08. Eric has $2.50. Does he have enough to buy a silver glitter pen and a yellow highlighter? Enough money. Silver glitter pen, that is $1.12. And a yellow highlighter. Yellow highlighter is 1.47. Just add and see if he can buy in 2.57 and 2, 9, 4 and 1, 5 and 1 and 1, 2. No, he cannot buy because he has just $2.50. Mm. No, he do not have enough money. The correct option is no. Rita has $47.46. How much money will Rita have left if she buys a banana cream pie and an apple tart? Left if she buys a banana cream, that is 10.22, and 3 and 2, 5, 2 and 2, that is 22.59. So just subtract. We need to see how much money we have left. 16 minus 9 is 7. 13 minus 5 is 8. That is 24.87. Option number 1 is the correct option. Mm. So that means if she buy banana cream, buy an apple tart, she have left 24.87. Option number 1 is the correct option. How much money does Rachel need to buy a keychain, a big keychain, and a baseball keychain? So, which is the correct option? You can add and write the answer in the chat box. Mm. Horse keychain is 0.74. Okay, let's see. The correct option is 2.14. Very good. Option 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself today. Let me just move to next lesson. Mm. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is unit prices. Let's just start with the lesson, which is the better buy. 4 pack of raffle tickets for $5.36 and 6 pack of raffle tickets for $7.80. So you have to see which is the better buy. So when you want to see which one is a better buy, what you have to do, you have to calculate the cost of one pack, right? Like here you have given four pack of $5.36. So five, you need to divide $5.36 by four. 1.34 is the price of one ticket, right? One pack. Same thing you have to do with the other value. 7.80 divided by 6 is $1.30. So the one that has the less value is the better buy. So 1.30 is the better buy. That means six pack of raffle tickets for 7.80 is better buy. Mm. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. A 3 kilogram bag of sand costs $11.37. What is the unit price? Unit price means the price of one thing, right? 1 kilogram bag. Here the price is given for the 3 kilogram bag. So you need to divide 11.37 by 3. You will get the price of 1 kilogram bag, right? So 11.37 divided by 3, that is $3.79. That means the price of per kilogram bag is 3.79. Option number one is the correct option. That is $3.79. A 9 foot piece of wire cost $1.26. What is the unit price? So you need to calculate the price of unit price. That is $1.26 divided by 9. Let's just divide 1.26 divided by 9. That is $0.14. Option number one is the correct option. That is $0.14. Which is a better buy? Two pack of toaster pastries for $1.46 and seven pack of toaster pastries for $4.83. So you need to see which one is a better buy. So just divide 1.46 by 2 to calculate the price of per pack. And for the other one, just divide 4.83 divided by 7. So 1.46 divided by 2 is 0.73 and 4.883 divided by 7 is 0.69. So which is better buy? The one that has the lower price for the one pack is the better buy. So which is the correct option? Option number two is the correct option. That is seven pack of toaster pastries for $4.83. Option number two is the correct option. Which is the better price? 6 kilogram of dark chocolate candies for $33.90. 7 kilograms of dark chocolate candies for $39.48. So let's just divide, calculate the price of 1 kilogram that, right? 33.90 divided by 6 and 39.48 divided by 7. So let's just calculate the price of the unit. Unit price 39.90 divided by 6, that is 5.65. 39.48 divided by 7, that is 5.64. So which is the better price? Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 7 kilogram of dark chocolate candies for $39.48. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which is a better buy? 2 pack of golf balls for $3.68 and 8 pack of golf balls for $14.88. So let's just see which is a better buy. So which is the correct option? Let's just calculate the price of unit. Let's just calculate the unit price. 3.68 divided by 2 is $1.84. And then 14.88 divided by 8 is $1.86. So which is the better buy, the first one or the second one? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 2 pack of golf ball for $3.68. 4 meter roll of yellow fabric costs $15.24. What is the unit price? Which is the correct option? That is 15.24 divided by 4. 15.24 divided by 4. That is $3.81. That means the unit price is option number 1, $3.81. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is sales price. Is the sale price of a chest of drawers originally priced at $68? 25% off. That is 25%. So the discount is 25% of 68. 25 over 100 times 68. So that is 17. That means the discounted price is $17. So you need to calculate the sale price. That is 68 minus 17. So 68 minus 17 is 51. That means the sale price is $51. The sale price is $51. Let's just start with the test questions. Erica wants to buy a notebook. The original price is $2. What is the sale price? You need to calculate the 50% of the original price, right? Let's just calculate the discounted price first and then we will calculate the sale price. You need to calculate 50% of, we need to calculate 50% of 2. That is 50 over 100 times 2, that is 1, right? When you do calculations, that is 1. That is the discount. That means you have $1 discount on the book. You need to calculate the sale price. So how do we calculate the sale price is equal to the original price minus the discount. So 2 minus 1 is 1. That means after the discount, the price is $1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is $1. Rebecca wants to buy a nightstand. The original price is $36. What is the sale price? So you need to calculate the sale price. Let's just calculate 25% of the $36. So 25% of 36. 25 over 100 times 36. 25 times 36 is 900 and 900 divided by 100 is 9. So you need to calculate the sale price. The sale price is original price minus the sale price. The original price is 36. 36 minus 9 is $27. So that means the sale price is $27. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is $27. What is the sale price of the basketball jersey originally priced at $38? So that is on 50% off, right? Let's just calculate the price at 50% off. You need to calculate the 50% of 38, right? Basically, if you think logically, 50% means the half price, right? So basically, that would be sold on half price. So half of 38 is 19. That is the logical answer. But if you need to calculate, yes, that is $19. If you need to calculate the answer, you have to calculate 50% of 38, and then you have to subtract the discounted price out of the original price, right? Then that would be $19. The original price of the table is $74. What is the sale price? So again, that is on 50% off. So just calculate the 50% off 74. You need to calculate 50 over 100 times 74. So that is 50 times 74. That is $37, right? So now we need to calculate the sale price. So sale price is equal to the original price minus the discounted price. 74 minus 37 is $37. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option number 2 is the correct option. Dana buys a bookcase during the sale. If the original price was $44, how much does Dana pay? So which is the correct option? You need to calculate the price after the 25% off. So let's just calculate 25% off 44. That is 11. You need to calculate the sale price. So the sale price is original price minus the discounted price. So 44 minus 11 is $33. The correct option is option number 2, that is $33. The original price of a wooden stool is $46. How much will Stanley pay if he buys it during the sale? So, which is the correct option? That is $23. Option number two is the correct option. The original price of gymnastic mat is $80. How much will Anne pay if she buys it during the sale? So, which is the correct option? That is $40. Option number two is the correct option. The original price of a crystal sculpture is $84. How much will Bernie pay if he buys it during the sale? So, which is the correct option? That is $63. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we were working on grade 5 math. The chapter we were working on is consumer math. The lessons we have covered today are price list, unit prices, and sale prices. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the question in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions? No questions? Okay, then that's all for today.